What's up, guys? It's Hunter, and today we have another very exciting installation. We have a 2018 Ultra Limited 115th anniversary Harley here, and we are going to put on some front fairing speakers. These are from NVX, or the NVX front fairing speakers. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, for this install you'll need a T27, and we'll need to loosen up this bolt here, same thing on the other side, mirrored, and then these three bolts here, but there was a camera mounted here. We went ahead and took that off, a little GoPro. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is do the inside, and then we're going to do the outside bolts here. And the reason we're going to do this is so as we loosen these up, we can actually catch the fairing, and so it doesn't fall and hit our lights here or scratch anything up. So let's go ahead and get started. One thing I forgot to mention was, so we had to unplug our gauges here to access our T25s. You'll also need a T25 for these. The outside bolts were T27s. And now what we got to get to is all these Allen keys here. There, and here. You have 6 of these 7/16" bolts, okay? These are not fun. They go right here on both sides. So, our aftermarket grills, one with the open end tab, will go in this corner. Same thing on the other side. Go in that corner, towards the head unit. So, put these bad boys in. So one thing I want to mention is on your factory Harley Davidson, you'll have this little alignment tab. You'll need to cut that off because our speakers do not have the alignment tab insert. Now you can take a Dremel or some flush cuts, just something to knock that off a little bit. In my case, what I'm going to do is grab some flush cuts. Just cut that little tab off. That's it. Alright guys, so that concludes our install for this 2018 Ultra Limited 115th anniversary. Let me know what you guys think and what should we do next on this bike. We think we're going to have it back. So we'll see what happens there. We may even do a lid kit where we cut out the lids or an amplifier. What do you think we should do next? If you like this video and you want to see more, please like and subscribe.